Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, join me as we do a short visit in Oregon. Oregon is famous for many things including its beautiful landscapes. Our first stop is the Multnomah Falls. It is one of the tallest year-round waterfalls in the United States and is the most visited natural recreation site in the Pacific Northwest. It only costs $2 to get a Multnomah Falls timed entry permit. To get the most out of your visit, try to come during the less busy times like the midweek or early mornings. Also, taking a shuttle or taking a guided tour is an option that we had. Next is the Waukena Falls, which is approximately 2 miles from Multnomah Falls. The waterfall is unlike nearby Multnomah Falls in that the water does not directly plunge to the ground. Waukena Falls rather has a more subtle cascading flow. There is no pass required at this location. A little farther is the Horsetail Fall. The falls drop over a cut over the columnar basalt cliff within the Oneonta Gorge, and it is one of the waterfalls along the Columbia River Highway's waterfall corridor. Latourell Falls is the last one we visit. Latourell Falls is a waterfall along the Columbia River Gorge in the U.S. state of Oregon. The historic Columbia River Highway passes nearby, and at certain locations, the lower falls are visible from the road. Latourell is unique among the best-known Columbia Gorge waterfalls in the way that it drops straight down from an overhanging basalt cliff. Most of those falls, even the famous Multnomah Falls, tumble to some degree. And here is the Latourell Creek Bridge on the Columbia River Highway. It is the oldest concrete bridge in the U.S. A little farther, we would come to see the Vista House. The Vista House is a museum at Crown Point in Multnomah County, Oregon, that also serves as a memorial to Oregon pioneers and as a comfort station for travelers in the historic Columbia River Highway. It is designed to take full advantage of the fantastic seafront site with the principal room on the first floor to make the most of the sea views. And that is our short visit to Oregon. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. See you on the next vlog.